Huawei has officially shared EMUI 10.1 update progress. According to the latest adaptation report, Huawei Nova 5 and 4 other smartphones will now be updated to EMUI 10.1. This update is exclusively rolling out via the support app. Huawei Nova 5, Huawei Nova 5Z, Huawei Nova 5i Pro, Huawei Enjoy 10s on a 20s, Magic UI 3.1. The update will bring new features like multi-device control panel, multi-window, split screen, screen sharing, and more. Update procedure. Open your settings and go to System and Update section. If update already came there, then simply update it. If you using HiCare app, then open it and look for Service tab. You would find Update section. Simply update it from there.